Want to lock apps on your Android phone without downloading any third-party apps? Whether it's your PayPal, Netflix, or even your gallery app, keeping them private is easier than you think. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to lock any app for free, directly from your phone settings. No extra downloads needed. Let's get started. First, grab your Android phone and open your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, tap the search bar at the top and type App Lock. From the results, select the second option that says App Lock, and then unlock your device using your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern if prompted. You'll now land on the App Lock settings page. This is where you can enable app locking for any application installed on your device. Let's walk through a few examples. Want to lock the Amazon app? Just toggle it on, and it's locked. Need to lock your gallery to keep your photos private? Done. Want to stop anyone from peeking into your Binance or PayPal accounts? Just tap and lock them here. Even apps like Netflix can be locked to keep kids from accessing your profile. No matter which app you choose, it's all controlled right here, quickly and securely. Once you've locked an app, try opening it, let's say PayPal. You'll now be prompted to unlock it using your fingerprint or whatever security method you've set up. This proves your app lock is working perfectly and your privacy is protected. And that's it. You've successfully locked apps on your Android without installing anything extra. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.